Hello, everyone. Okay, so we are live now. So, if you are here, guys, and you can hear me loud and clear, if you can write it in the comment section. Okay, I can see few people live. I can just cross check right away that whether I'm live or not. So, guys, if you can see me live, just let me know that you can hear me loud and clear. Okay, so on YouTube, I'm live. There is no problem at all. And if you can just confirm me that can you hear me loud and clear? We are back with another project, and today's session we are going to start a new project and another interesting project. So if you can just confirm, and let me check on LinkedIn as well. Okay. Um, Let me register for it. Guys, if you can just confirm if you can hear me, and do also let me know from which location you're dialing in today. Still waiting for your comment, guys. Can you hear me? Can you? Okay, so we are live over here. There is no problem at all. We are live. Okay. Okay, so I guess we are live on LinkedIn as well. We are live on YouTube as well. There is no problem at all. And I already see. Okay, so I can see your comments now. Earlier, I was not able to see it, but now I can see you. Thank you so much. Yes, I can hear you. Thank you so much, guys. Eric says yes. Says you are joining from Barcelona, Spain. So, how is weather at Spain, guys? Because I am right now in a super cold city. So I'm in Canada right now, in Toronto, and the temperature is around almost like close to feels like -20. If you can let me know what is like how's weather in Spain. I guess Europe is better. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for joining in today for this live project. um Nathan says Bangalore. I says Bangalore has a good weather as compared to uh, at least from the cold cities. Okay, 3 in Tampa. Hi, sir, how are you? So Sahar is in Bayan right now. Yes, we can hear you. Abhishek says, good evening from India. So Abhishek, from which city you are in India? If you can let me know. Hayward, California. California is, I guess the temperature is much better. Michigan here is 24 degrees. Oh, you're lucky. Plus or minus. I guess you have not put a minus over here. So I believe that it is in plus. Okay. So guys, we'll follow the same format. I'll present you a small deck explaining about what High Counselor is all about, what is today's project, how you can start the current project, and we'll take up all the queries in the end. Okay, and let's see. Let's start. And if you can also let me know before we start this session, if you can just let me know that. Uh, what job role you are targeting, what role you are exactly looking for, so that we can know that whether we have the right audience with us or not. So if you can also let me know what is the job role you are targeting in the comment section. And we have already started, and I guess I informed you in the last few sessions also that we have started one-on-one sessions with students, specifically students who uh, across the globe in different universities who are studying. We are trying to help them out in their job search process by providing certain resources from our side, one-on-one guidance. I know this is tough. Like we cannot meet everyone, but you can definitely message us along with your name, your college name, what course you are doing from that college, so that um, and then we'll share our calendar link with you and we can meet one on one. Okay, so make sure you message us and I'll be happy to help you out. Okay. So Shimanshu says, Sayar says data scientist, Shimanshu says business analyst, Tanya says product manager, uh, Bhubaneswar. Okay, Abhishek says it's a favorable climate in Bhubaneswar. Yes, Bhubaneswar is a good city. Okay. What other roles you are targeting, guys? If you can let us know what role exactly you are targeting. Are you into data domain or in the business analyst or product analyst? I believe we have the right crowd with us today for this particular session. And for one-on-one session, if you are a student, you can write me a message on LinkedIn. You can search me on LinkedIn with my name, and we can connect. Okay, so let me share my deck, and once you see my deck, kindly let me know. Okay, so let me just add. Just give me a second. Okay, so in the meanwhile, I can see Abhishek says I'm a Python developer and data analyst, business analyst. I see advertising data analyst. Okay, let me add my deck, and if you can let me know. Okay, can you see my screen now, guys? If you can just let me confirm in the comment section. Hello, Doc. Hello, David. How are you? Uh, so, can you see my deck now, which says strategic marketing for personal loans using Python and SQL? That is the project which we are doing today. If anybody can confirm that you can see my deck so that I can start my little small presentation, and then we will be discussing all the queries, how to do this project, how this whole model works. Okay, so Sanya says thank you. Okay, certainly we can. Thank you so much. So let's begin. So today we are going to do this project, which is the title of the project is strategic marketing for personal loans using Python and SQL. The project is more dedicated towards people who are looking for a job as business analyst, data scientist. uh, Moving on, let me give you a brief introduction about myself. So my name is Dr. Amit, and I am a head of business operations at High Counselor. I did my bachelor's in computer science. I did my MBA program in marketing and human resources. I did my PhD program in marketing research. uh, I'm an alumni of IMA. I've studied, I've written so many research papers and lot of stuff, all those stuffs. I worked in corporate sector also. I worked with companies like Wipro, Reliance, ICICI back in my home country. Uh, Almost like 10 years plus experience in teaching at undergraduate and postgraduate levels, and a lot of that time has also been a part of counseling cell and counseling students, helping them land job. And today I have more than 100K following on YouTube also, so you can follow me there as well. Okay, moving on, we don't have Aditya today because he was busy with some engagement. But I'll give you a brief introduction about him also. He's the CEO of the company at High Counselor. He's the co-founder, and so he did his bachelor's in and from the same college from which I did my PhD program. So we met there only, and we had a strong bond. We met often there. We solved some problems over there, and now we are working together. So it's fun. He did his master's of engineering management from Duke University. Later on, he started his career by working with PwC. He worked with Deloitte, and later on we started High Counselor. Okay, so let me give you how this all began, and I'll give you a brief introduction of High Counselor because a lot of people messages that what exactly our business is, what we do, how we do it. So this will be quick, very quick. So in April 2020, we started with just 3 candidates. We raised our first investment in 2021. We almost have 100 plus candidates in June 2021 which landed jobs. We raised another 2.1 million dollars in March 2022, and we have almost placed more than 500 plus people in different companies. So what are what is the purpose of starting High Counselor? What was the problem statement over here? So three key reasons why people struggle in landing up a job is because of lack of experience. That's the first thing. Specifically for those candidates who are fresher or who are transitioning their career from one domain to another domain, who are starting their career after a long break. So generally they lack hands-on experience. Second is lack of interview opportunities. So a lot of people, they don't know how to network with people, what is the power of networking, how they can uh, how they can land up in interviews. And third is obviously the preparation part, that they are not prepared enough to crack those interviews. So we tried to sort all these three problems by, as we High Council is a career accelerator. We are not a staffing agency. We need to be very clear about it, because High Counselor provides you a 360-degree feedback kind of a model, in which we, right from fixing your resume to your LinkedIn and mentoring you one on one and guiding you through the whole process with all our auto job tools, which can help you automatically apply for your jobs and or find the right jobs, and that too in a volume of numbers, so that anybody can they can put up some effort from their side, and we can put up some effort from our side, and we help people landing a job. Very simple. We also provide them a lot of resources like our project platform, assessment platform, a lot of courses, a lot of recorded material in form of practice questions and top questions from top companies. So that helps a lot of candidate. And we have a like dedicated one-on-one kind of mentorship model, in which there is a dedicated CSM who meets each of their candidates and guide them through the process. We began ourselves from Silicon Valley. We have a success rate of almost 90%. We have candidates from across 120 universities. We have already helped landing jobs people into more than 200 employers, and right now the average salary is around $70,000, and the average time right now is around 16 weeks. Earlier this used to be a little less, but right now the market is a little tough, and that's why it is on the higher side. So what are the different domains in which we support candidates? So one is the software domain, other is called product domain. In the sales domain, which we recently started, uh, we in the data model, where we help people in landing job in data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, business intelligence, AI, ML, and we also help candidates in the Salesforce domain. So what is our schedule looks like? So generally we have almost like 5 to 6 weeks program, in which we, right in the week one, we provide you all the support in terms of resume, LinkedIn, and we also provide you sessions on technical and behavioral sessions. We provide you real-time project experiences that can help you build your portfolio pages, and we have our different types of tools. For example, job matching application tool, Chrome extension that helps you apply automatically to various jobs, and it's a one-on-one kind of support model. Okay. So what is the pricing for our program? So generally we don't charge anything upfront. Anybody can join the program. We do not charge anyone except for certain people who are working somewhere. We charge from them. Otherwise, if somebody is a fresher and is looking for a job, we don't need to pay anything upfront to High Counselor. We only charge once you land up into a job, right? So we have a two package model right now. We have a starter model, in which you are supposed to pay around $10,000, which will be 9% of your monthly income. uh, you have to pay 9% on a monthly basis. That's what I'm saying. And on the other side, the other advanced version is around we charge around $15,000, in which you have to pay 14% of your monthly salary. It You have to pay only once you land into a job, and there are certain differences in this starter package and the advanced one. Specifically, for example, in which, in the case of layoff, or in the case of provide manual support also, we provide you remote internship also, and we have priority access to all our job fair opportunities as well. We provide you 6 one-on-one session, as compared to, in this one, we are only providing 3. Okay. So, and we have unlimited projects, hands-on projects option also in the $15,000 program. Okay. So these are certain successful candidates who are recently landed job through us, and they are from different domains, and we are doing our level best. And we have a very good community from different parts of the world, and specifically people who are eligible to work in US. They can definitely join our ISA program, and we'll be happy to serve them. And you can read their reviews on icounselor.com/review. So how to enroll into ISA? I'd give you a very simple process for it. So go to highcounselor.com. Uh, there is a button called on the landing page only, apply for the upcoming cohort. Click on that, start your application, complete the questions, and you will be evaluated after that. So once we find that you are the right fit for our program, then we'll send you our admission decision. Okay, so let's move on to the live project now. I hope the complete ISA is clear. I'll give you a demo when I will be like doing the project demo. So why we started this live project? This project is completely free. We do not charge anything from anyone for doing this project. You can get certificate also after doing this project. Okay, so the idea behind this live project was that we know that a lot of people, they lack work experience, and we wanted to build a platform where people can do project. They don't need to worry, and we can come up with challenging projects, and for at all the levels, beginner level, intermediate level, and advanced level. And we are happy that today we have almost close to 100 projects on our platform. So basically, we wanted to solve this problem that people should have this real world experience there, where they can boost their resume and CV, impress their recruiters. And they also, we wanted that they should overcome this tag of that without, you don't have any work experience. So all these projects are very like similar to client based projects, where client has come up with a problem, you need to solve it. So project description. So in this project, we'll be uncovering fascinating stories in the bank data, basically exposing the insights of customer habits and potential opportunities. Beyond numbers, you will also be painting a full picture of customer segmentation, finding hidden gems and customers and mutual benefit. You will transform insights into visual, classroom personalized marketing strategies. Consider yourself as an unsung hero, turning raw data into valuable insights. So basically, the idea here is that based on the raw data you have of the banks, you have to pull out some insightful information and complete the project. So let's see what are the different modules you have to do. In the module 1, you have to do data cleaning. In the module 2, you have to do pre-processing. And in the module 3, you have to do SQL mastery. So you have to write SQL queries. And module 2 and 1 will have the little bit of usage of Python as well. So what are the rewards in this program? So all the 3 people who will be the on top of the leaderboard, they will be featured in the Times Square in New York. So if you have not been to Times Square, so this is a very busy street, very popular street. A lot of trailers are being launched on this particular street. You will be featured here, and that will be very, very like it's a very good feeling, as well as it's very, if you let anyone know that you were featured on Times Square, everybody is interested to know that why you were featured. Here are certain people who we recently featured. So we have Rupmati, who was recently featured because of her uh, like top score in the project. We have Dhruv, who was also featured on this Times Square, and you could be the next one. Okay. Okay, and who are your project mentors over here? So for any functional problems, Aditya and me are always there. You can always message me or let us know what is the issue you are facing. Chirag is there as your technical mentor. He will be looking into your technical queries. And let's see how we also have built a community based on your suggestion. This is on Discord, so kindly do join this community where we are going to discuss about projects, about job search, about internships, everything related to a job search process. Okay, and I'll share this link also. So let's see that how you can join this, how you can start the project. Okay, so let me just share my screen. And if you see my screen, do let me know. Okay, so how you can enroll in this project? So I've already shared my screen now. You go to highcounselor.com. On the landing page, okay, you will see projects. And remember, I told you about ISA program. So if you want to join ISA, click on upcoming cohort. Just click on upcoming cohort, and then you can start your application. Our next cohort is going to start on 29th January. So you can start your application. Once you submit it, we'll review your application. If we find it you to be the right fit for the program, we'll definitely help you out. Okay. For the project part, go to highcounselor.com, click on projects, and after go to the project which we are doing right now. We are doing this one, strategic marketing. Click on this one. So it will ask you to sign in. So if you are a new user, create an account. So by just filling in basic details like your name, email ID, number, and your LinkedIn ID, you can create your account. Otherwise, if you're already a user of this platform, just click on this, click username and email ID, and that's it. Sign in. So once you sign in, uh, now you can start this project. Okay, click on the project. You will see all the details of the project. What are the tasks? What are the different modules we have? And to start this project, click on go to sandbox. Once you click on go to sandbox, this will be loaded, and you can see a plus sign over here. Click on the plus sign, add this project, this the personal loan ones. Just click choose template, and you can see now the project starts loading. So once the project starts loading, it will take around 1 minute, and it will be ready, you can click on open sandbox and you can start your project. It's a simple process. I can again repeat: go to highcounselor.com, click on project. If you're an old user, sign in. If you're a new user, sign up. And after signing in, click on the project, go to sandbox, and click on plus sign and add this particular project. Okay, it's a simple process. And if it is clear, kindly let me know in the comment section that the process is completely clear to you. Okay, and there we go. 10 seconds more, I believe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, great. Now you can click on open sandbox. So once you click on open sandbox, the project will be loaded. There we go. So here is the project. So your Jupyter notebook will be loaded, and you can start doing your project. I'm already seeing two people already doing this project right now. And you can see all the tasks which you are supposed to complete: 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.3. So 1 denotes the module, and the 1.2, 3, 4 are the tasks. Okay, so you can read the details of the project here. You can start writing your code over here. You can test your results. And the important and the more fascinating part of this is a competitive platform. So you can see the leaderboard also. So who are the people who are doing these projects right now? What are the various tasks they have completed from this particular platform? You can see everything over here. Okay, you can also invite people. So by clicking on this button, invite button, you can click all your friends or people who are interested in doing these kind of projects. And kindly make sure, guys, that you share with other people, because it's very important for leaderboard to be on the top 3 of the leaderboard. You have to be accurate, you have to be efficient in time, and most importantly, you must invite a good amount of people so that who can join and they can work on the project. If you're not inviting anyone, you might not be in the top 3 of the leaderboard. Make sure that if you want to win this exciting prize, make sure that you invite more people, and that will help us to build a bigger community, and then we'll be doing much more better projects as well. Apart from this, you can also report a bug. So if you face any problem, any doubt, just click on this button, and then you can write your issue. What is your subject? What is the description? You can also take the screenshot that attach over here, and our team will review it. So that's it from my side. I hope it is clear to you. If you can let me know, is the process is clear, guys? Is the process is clear? So I can see some really good comments coming up from Seher. Seher has been doing a live project quite often with us. That it is insightful, invaluable assistance have truly transformed the knowledge and skills. So Seher is also one of our candidates to ISA program, and I guess, and you can see her feedback on what kind of support we provide to our people. We try our level best to provide you. If you are eligible in US and you want to, so you want need support from our side in the job search process, you're most welcome. Okay, and I can see some really good comments coming up from sir. Thank you, sir, for your support, and I appreciate that. Indrani asks how to apply for internship. Go to High Counselor page and click on internships. Same process, and then you can enroll yourself. Start your application and make the payment, and you can join. Okay, Abhishek says they're excited to start the live project. Abhishek, is the process is clear? Is the process is clear, guys? Kindly let me know if the process is clear or not, because that is very important. I'm also pasting the Discord link, guys, in the comment section. Feel free to join here. We are having some good uh, command, like a lot of people joining in, and the plan is to build a good community for everyone. Okay, so I have posted the Discord link as well, so you can join this group now. And any query, guys, related to project, related to ISA or Discord group, for any kind of issue if you are facing while doing the project, click on the report the bug and you can put in all your queries over there. We will be happy to serve you. Okay, Abhishek says yes. Thank you, Abhishek. Any other query, guys, in terms of project, in terms of ISA, how to do it? The next cohort will be starting from 29th January. If you are physically available in US, or you have the permission to work in US, and our service can be very helpful for you. Okay, but and one more clear, a lot of people get confused that whether this particular project platform is also paid or not. So this is completely free. This live project is completely free. We do not charge anyone from, like, anything from anyone. That is, I've completed 3-4 projects till now. It's a good platform. Thank you, Indrani. Thank you so much. We are improving it on a daily basis. The idea is to come up with a platform which has to offer something to all the roles. From when we can start up a project, you can start up right away. You can go and create your account, and if you're already a user, you can go and start your project. I've already seen people starting the project now. Okay, any other query, any other issues? If you have it, I'll be happy to answer that. Is it clear? Excited for the live project. Thank you, Ananya. Thank you so much. uh, these projects are getting super useful, guys. We have being people are creating their portfolio pages, they are sharing it on LinkedIn, they are sharing it with their employers, they are showing up their work. In the recent interview, one of our candidates from JP Morgan, uh, she literally opened the platform and showed it to her employer while interviewing, that here is the things which you have completed, kindly you can see what kind of stuff I am doing. That can be very, very useful. Okay. Okay, I guess we are good. Thank you so much uh, for your time. I hope you make it to the leaderboard, you make it to the Times Square. It would be a proud moment for you as well as for your family. To be featured on Times Square is one of, like, at least it is one of my dreams. I want to be get featured. So far, I've not done something good, really good to be get featured. I hope one day my number will also come. What is the deadline of this project? The deadline is around a week. So we are starting on 18th. We'll be closing on 25th. Okay. Anything else? Okay, great. Thank you so much for joining in, guys, and hope you win. And for one-on-one sessions or personal guidance from our side, you can write a message on LinkedIn to me or Aditya. We'll be happy to assist you. Do write your name, your college name, and the course you are doing right now. Okay, so that we can see that whether we are the right person to meet you or not, because we are don't specialization in all the fields, but there are certain fields in which we can definitely help you out. Software, data, we can definitely help you out. Business analyst, any role in data, any role in product, we can help you. Okay, what is the deadline? We have already answered. Okay, guys, thank you. Bye bye for now, and we'll be meeting in the next session. Bye bye.